Are you planning to take exam AB 620 Designing and Building Integrated AI Solutions in Copilot Studio? So this video is for you. I just passed my exam and sharing my observations. We will talk about what comes in exam, type of questions you can expect in the exam, and key technical areas to focus on. Please notice that exam name is AB 620 Designing and Building AI Solution in Copilot Studio. But name of certification is Microsoft Certified AI Agent Builder Associate. This certification is for advanced agent builders who build, extend, and integrate agents for enterprise grade AI solutions. So what actually exam covers? Plan and configure agent solutions, integrate and extend agents in Copilot Studio, test and manage agents. So there are three major areas in which we have some sub areas. I have shared link in description. Now question comes how to prepare and pass the exam. To prepare for the exam, Microsoft given the content on Microsoft Learn. As per my observation, this MS Learn content currently does not cover all exam topics well. But I believe Microsoft will update the content in future along with labs. You have to do hands-on practice on the product and refer the Microsoft Copilot Studio documentation as well. Now let's discuss what you can expect in terms of questions in exam. We have two case studies, not very difficult. Most of questions of MCQ type, few questions of yes/no type, few questions of fill in blank type, a lot of questions for drag and drop. And make sure for drag and drop questions they ask for the steps for the configuration. So you should be proficient in configuring the different items in the Copilot Studio. See, Microsoft Copilot Studio has been marketed for more than 2 years. But exam AB 620 is first certification for this product. So this exam is highly hands-on with a strong focus on practical product knowledge and real-world scenarios. Majorly we have agents and workflows. When we work with agents, you may get questions on description versus instructions, how they are same and how they are different. You get a lot of questions on tools. So we have total 6 set of tools: agent flows, prompt, MCP, computer use, REST API, custom connectors. We'll get question on all 6 type of tools. Especially a lot of question on agent flows, like how to create, monitor, and manage agent flows, different kind of inputs and outputs in those flows. So you should be sure about how to configure these tools and how they are different from each other. When it comes to knowledge, we have different types of knowledge sources, but special focus will be on Copilot connectors, Microsoft Power Platform connectors, and Azure AI Search. So in these three topics, you got a lot of questions, and also how custom connectors are different from APIs. Such kind of question you get in exam. Not many questions from topics, but there are 2-3 things that we have to remember in topics. For example, in advance, few questions you get on the HTTP request and lot of question on generative answers. When we come to agents, what are child agents, what are connected agents, how they're different from each other, and also questions on the A2A protocol. Once you have knowledge, tools, agents, topics ready, how your agent is doing, you get a lot of questions on the evaluation as well, like creating a test set, choosing evaluation model, and review test results. And also a few questions on the analytics you will get. Also spend some time on settings and on publishing concepts. So this all was in Copilot Studio. We also have to understand for the application lifecycle management of agents in the Copilot Studio, we should be aware of the Microsoft Power Platform environment and different components. Apart from this, we should know how to create managed and unmanaged solutions, how they differ from each other, how to add agents to solutions, import, export, and also few questions on environment variables. Please notice that it is important to be proficient not only in the concept but also in the step-by-step configuration and implementation process in the Copilot Studio for the agents. This is not a beginner level exam, it's an advanced level exam. Exam is only possible to pass if you do hands-on in deep dive manner and remember steps very well. Thank you.